Folks, got wife number 2 at the wheel. Maria Mercedes on board, taking her to school. We gotta stop off, get her a snack. Got Force G over here sitting on my lap. And I'm riding in the back like DJT, Donald J. Trump. Stop off here, pick up Maria a snack, dismount. You know he's coming with you, baby. Folks, it's a little sorry store. We got produce here in the mornings. Pretty much anything you need right here at this little shop. Got fish and seafood. So if you don't feel like hiking it up any further, and you know, actually between here and our place, we got a couple other smaller sorry stores. You know, like for chips and drinks. But this right here is like our Walmart. So this is like a morning trip to Walmart right here in the Philippines. Now I'm in Angeles City, so I have every amenity that you want. But you know, if you live close to a store like this, just walk up there, save on transportation. But today I'm rolling strong in the Tesla chopper, getting wife number 2 more acquainted with the controls. She's getting better every day, every time she drives the thing. So she said something about there was too much weight, it's too heavy, wanted me to drive. I said, there's not too much weight on here, just get behind the wheel and hit the gas. Just hit the gas, keep going until you hear metal. Oh, Maria! Yeah. Folks, that right there, that's right there why you turn the key off when you have a cute little daughter sitting there playing with the controls. I hope I caught that on video. Did you see her? She hit the gas? About flipped me off the back. Go, Buddy. Mount up, dude.
No, I'm not the one who driving.
No, you're driving. I'll help you. I thought she had a baby in that stroller. Got a dog in there.
Forrest, let's go.
We got a dog in that one too. 2 dogs in the stroller. No babies, just dogs. My goodness. You don't never see babies in strollers here unless it's with foreign babies. But they got dogs in there. Yeah, mount up. Little dog right there.
Hold this.
Man, them dogs much bigger than you, buddy. You might not want to. You might not want to be barking at them big dogs. He ain't backing down. Get him, Blue. Get him. There you go. You want to let Maria drive? Because she knows how to hit the gas. All right, now we're rolling out. Take it up to 90, baby.
No, bala kayo.
And Force G want to sit behind his mama. All right. No need to get out of first gear, baby.
Forrest,
We ain't in no race. We're not in a race. There you go, folks. There's a look at it. Our morning drive. See if I can get it wide enough. See what's going on here.
There's a car in the back.
Baby, if you have a car, just pull over to the right. That's all you got to do.
Oh my gosh.
Pull over to the right, just like you're walking, baby. All we're doing is walking together on a motorized platform on the Tesla chopper. All right, good job, baby. Good job.
No more.
Morning. But just don't hit the lady with the stroller and the dog, okay? Easy on the throttle. Easy. Easy. Don't hit the people walking. Oh, touch him out. There you go. You're doing good, baby. Just don't get too close to the car. I don't want to pay for a paint job. Just remember that the back end is wider than the front end. Sort of like your new body style, okay? The back is wider than the front. It's a little bit wider, not too much, but it's a little bit wider. Right, coming up on the speed. Oh, easy on the speed bump, Greasy.
Marquitos, you're so noisy.
Okay. So folks, you ever see that movie Summer School? Back in the 80s, great movie. I was inspired by that movie. It's basically about a PE coach who likes to take his summers off and go surfing, right? He's in California, but he gets stuck teaching summer school. I'm not gonna tell you the whole movie, but just watch it. It's called Summer School. Old Mr. Shoop. Well, Mr. Shoop was teaching, what's her name? Denise. I think Denise how to drive, because that was part of the deal, what she wanted. So he's teaching her how to drive. She's like looking over her shoulder and don't go, looking over. It just, Fatima reminded me of Denise in the movie Summer School when she kept looking over her shoulder, but she wouldn't give it any gas. Anyhow, check out that movie, great movie. Now right here you got the Sure Stay Studio by Best Western. This thing's being built forever. Good morning my friends. And it is right next to the VFW. Maybe one day it'll get opened up. Again, okay? Whoa, easy on that speed bump, girl. Right. Dismount. Brum, brum. Folks, gonna fire up this here Tesla chopper. Got wife number 2 over there stuffing her face with some rice and something. What you eating, baby? Rice and chicken. Here we go. Whoa! Hear that engine? I'm supposed to pick up some beans. Like the man said, pick up some beans. But I got an alternative plan for this money. I'm gonna redirect these funds into buying some beer. Nah, I'm just kidding. So I got this GoPro mounted on this clamp on the handlebars. And I'll be honest, it's a little shaky. I think it's shaking back and forth. Hello. It's just shaking back and forth. So I don't even know if the GoPro footage is gonna be stable enough, because it's just going like this. It's just back and forth. If I handheld it with the tripod, you know, with my little stick, whatever, it'd be fine. But I'm trying to mount it to these handlebars just so I can go hands-free. It's like texting and driving. I don't want to be texting and driving due to the power of the Tesla chopper. Here's how you bypass the speed bump. Whoa! Partner, that like part of my hair. Whoa, folks. Ducking and weaving. I'm gonna tell you right now. Look, I like to walk. I'll still walk. I still do walk. But certain things, you know, like picking up stuff where you got to carry a bunch of stuff, just running up to the store. This thing's too convenient. Plus, the family love to go for nightly drives on this thing where we can just all be together. See, folks, I'm doing 10 kilometers per hour. I know everybody's hitting me up about putting helmets on the children. But this is less than the speed of riding a bicycle. Like I talked about, my generation, we didn't wear helmets when we rode bicycles. We didn't wear seat belts in the cars. I'm from a different generation. I'm not going to attain a speed fast enough on this Tesla chopper, at least with the babies on board, to need a crash helmet. Now, I guess there is one flaw with mounting this on the handlebars. Is every time I turn the handlebars, it's a different perspective. No, baby, you can't drive my Tesla chopper.
What?
I said, you can't drive my Tesla chopper. I'm taking your keys away.
Yeah.
Yeah, Che.
Check.
Baby, set the parking brake for me, please. Yeah, set the parking brake for Big Daddy. Thank you, baby. Baby, what do you mean there's a problem? What happened?
I forgot my rock.
You forgot what?
Yeah.
You left the emergency parking brake? Baby, that's the other half. We need both halves.
Yeah. I forgot.
Baby, go back to the laundry and get the parking brake.
I need to go back in 1 hour and then.
Well, get the parking brake. My gosh.
That's why when I do like that. Ooh, okay.
Yeah, because you ran over the parking brake. You didn't stop to think, oh, wait a minute, that bump was the parking brake.
No.
You just kept going?
Yeah. I did just that.
Baby, go retrieve the parking brake, all right? That was a good parking brake. It fit perfect. I told you, give me them keys. I'm revoking your keys, baby. Man, let you drive the Tesla chopper and you lose my parking brake. Force, G.
Good thing I got my rice.
Got some rice too?
Set up.
Oh, no, baby. No, that's a banned substance. Show everybody the banned substance. I won't take it. Folks, this is banned here in the kingdom. Baby, let me just show them what it is.
Yes, sure.
This is banned. Now show them the back of it. Now, I banned that substance because if you have a Filipina, they will put soy sauce and magic syrup in every dish, and that's all you will eat.
I forgot my coffee.
No, you forgot the parking brake. That's more important than your coffee.